Getting started with Seymour Lerhn. Seymour Lerhn is a brand new way to bring effective, immersive learning to your classroom. Ready to find out how it works? First off, grab a device. It doesn't matter if you're using a PC, interactive whiteboard, iPad or phone. All you need is an internet connection. Adding subscriptions. To set up your account, visit www.seymourlearn.com/platform and sign up. Once you have verified your email address, you'll be able to log in and see your dashboard. Click Manage Account to add payment methods and manage subscriptions. You will need to add a base subscription to access content. Choose your subscription and click Subscribe. You can now add add-on subscriptions or return to the hub to explore content.